Many people think making someone miss you is about playing games, sending mixed signals, or trying to create jealousy. The truth is far more powerful. A man doesn't deeply miss a woman because she begged for attention, chased him endlessly, or made him the center of her world. He misses her when he realizes the value she brought into his life. He misses her when her absence creates a space that nobody else can fill. Today, we're going to talk about 6 powerful ways to become unforgettable, not by manipulation, but by becoming the highest version of yourself. One of the biggest mistakes many women make is believing that the more attention they give a man, the more he will appreciate them. They text first every day, constantly check in, make themselves available at all hours, and put his needs ahead of their own. At first, this may seem like love, but over time, it often creates an unhealthy imbalance. When someone becomes too accessible and too focused on earning another person's attention, they can unintentionally reduce the value of their own presence. Human nature often causes people to overlook what is always available and place greater value on what requires effort, respect, and appreciation. A strong woman understands that her worth does not come from a man's validation. She knows that her value exists whether someone recognizes it or not. Instead of spending her days wondering why he hasn't called or whether he is thinking about her, she invests that energy into herself. She develops new skills, pursues personal goals, strengthens her confidence, and creates a life that excites her. She becomes the main character in her own story rather than a supporting character in someone else's. When a woman stops chasing and starts focusing on her own growth, her energy changes completely. She becomes calmer, more confident, and less dependent on external approval. Her conversations become more meaningful because they are no longer driven by fear of losing someone. She learns to set healthy boundaries and respects her own time. This shift often surprises people who were accustomed to receiving unlimited access to her attention. The absence of constant pursuit creates space for reflection. A man who once took her efforts for granted may begin to notice the difference. He starts remembering the support, warmth, and positivity she brought into his life. The more she values herself, the more others are encouraged to value her as well. True attraction grows when self-respect becomes stronger than the desire to be chosen by someone else. Many women unknowingly make the mistake of allowing their entire world to revolve around one person. Their mood depends on his messages. Their plans depend on his availability. And their happiness becomes connected to the amount of attention they receive from him. While love and connection are important, losing your individuality in a relationship can weaken your confidence and diminish the qualities that made you attractive in the first place. A healthy relationship should complement your life, not become your entire life. When you have your own goals, passions, and purpose, you bring a different kind of energy into every interaction. You are no longer waiting around for someone else's approval because you are busy building a future that excites you. Whether it's advancing your career, learning new skills, pursuing hobbies, spending time with friends, or improving your health, every step you take toward personal growth strengthens your sense of identity. You become more confident because your self-worth is rooted in your achievements and character rather than someone else's attention. People are naturally drawn to individuals who have direction and purpose. A woman who is genuinely engaged in her own life carries a sense of independence that is difficult to ignore. She doesn't need constant reassurance because she already knows who she is. Her conversations become richer, her confidence becomes stronger, and her presence becomes more memorable because she is bringing her own experiences and passions into the relationship. When a man sees that your life continues to move forward with or without him, it changes the dynamic. He realizes that your time is valuable and that your attention is something meaningful, not something automatically guaranteed. Instead of being the center of your universe, he becomes a part of a much larger and fulfilling life. This often creates a deeper level of respect because genuine independence is attractive. The more fulfilled you become on your own, the more people appreciate the unique energy, confidence, and happiness you bring into their lives. One of the most powerful things a woman can do is understand that not every situation requires an explanation, an argument, or a reaction. Many people believe they must constantly remind others of their value, defend their feelings, or convince someone to appreciate them. But true confidence operates differently. It understands that actions leave a deeper impact than words ever could. When someone repeatedly ignores your efforts, takes your presence for granted, or fails to recognize your worth, sometimes the strongest response is allowing them to experience life without the benefits you once brought into it. Constant communication can often hide your true value because people become accustomed to your presence. They expect the text, the support, the encouragement, and the attention. Over time, these things can start to feel ordinary to them, not because they aren't important, but because they have become a normal part of daily life. It is only when those things are no longer there that their true impact becomes visible. Silence creates space for reflection. It allows people to recognize what they once had and may have overlooked. This doesn't mean disappearing to play games or manipulate emotions. It means respecting yourself enough to stop forcing connections that are not being equally valued. Instead of chasing answers, focus on your own growth. Instead of demanding attention, invest that energy into building a better life for yourself. Let your actions communicate your standards. Let your confidence speak through your choices rather than your words. When a woman is no longer constantly available, people begin to notice her absence. They remember her kindness, her support, her laughter, and the positive energy she brought into their lives. The silence becomes a reminder of everything they once enjoyed but failed to fully appreciate. What they miss is not simply the conversations or the messages. What they miss is the unique presence that made their days better. Real power comes from knowing that your value does not decrease simply because someone fails to recognize it. Sometimes the greatest lesson people learn about your importance happens after you stop trying to prove it. One of the most effective ways to become unforgettable is to focus on becoming the best version of yourself. Many people spend so much time trying to change someone else's feelings that they neglect their own growth. They obsess over what they could say differently, what they could do better, or how they can gain more attention. Meanwhile, the most powerful transformation happens when that energy is redirected inward. Instead of chasing validation, focus on becoming stronger, wiser, healthier, and more confident every single day. Personal growth has a way of changing everything. When you commit to improving your physical health, you gain more energy and self-confidence. When you strengthen your mindset, you become more resilient in difficult situations. When you develop new skills, pursue meaningful goals, and create achievements for yourself, you begin to see your own worth more clearly. Confidence stops being something you hope to receive from others and becomes something you naturally carry within yourself. A woman who is focused on growth radiates a different kind of energy. She walks with purpose because she knows where she is going. She doesn't spend every moment worrying about who is watching because she is too busy creating a life she is proud of. Her confidence is not loud or attention-seeking. It comes from the quiet knowledge that she is becoming better than she was yesterday. That kind of self-assurance is incredibly attractive because it is genuine and cannot be faked. People often notice transformation long after it begins. They see the new confidence, the positive attitude, the discipline, and the success that comes from consistent effort. They notice that you are happier, stronger, and more fulfilled. When someone who once overlooked your value sees you thriving, they are often forced to reconsider what they had. They begin to recognize qualities they may have ignored before. The greatest benefit of self-improvement is that it serves you regardless of what anyone else does. Whether someone comes back into your life or not, you still win because you have become a stronger, more confident, and more capable version of yourself. Growth is the one investment that always pays dividends. And the more you invest in yourself, the more impossible it becomes for others to forget the value you bring. One of the clearest signs of self-respect is the willingness to walk away from situations that consistently disrespect your value. Many women stay in unhealthy dynamics because they hope things will eventually change. They tolerate mixed signals, broken promises, lack of effort, and behavior that leaves them feeling unappreciated. They convince themselves that if they love harder, give more, or remain patient for a little longer, they will finally receive the respect and commitment they deserve. Unfortunately, accepting poor treatment often teaches others that there are no consequences for giving less than what you deserve. A confident woman understands that love should never require her to abandon her standards. She knows the difference between working through normal challenges and continuously accepting behavior that damages her self-worth. She does not beg for attention, chase after someone who repeatedly pulls away, or remain in situations where her efforts are taken for granted. Instead, she recognizes her value and refuses to negotiate it for temporary affection or validation. Walking away is not about anger, revenge, or proving a point. It is about protecting your peace and honoring your dignity. It takes courage to leave something familiar, especially when emotions are involved. However, true strength is often revealed when you choose long-term self-respect over short-term comfort. Every time you enforce a healthy boundary, you send a powerful message to yourself that your feelings matter and your standards deserve to be respected. People often expect endless chances when they believe there will never be consequences for their actions. But when a woman confidently removes herself from a situation that no longer serves her, it forces others to confront the reality of what they are losing. The respect they failed to show becomes more obvious. Once access to her time, energy, and presence is no longer guaranteed, the strongest women are not the ones who tolerate the most pain. They are the ones who know when to walk away, trust their worth, and choose themselves even when it is difficult. Self-respect creates a level of confidence that cannot be ignored, and nothing is more powerful than a woman who knows she deserves better and refuses to settle for less. Many people believe that being unforgettable comes from dramatic moments, emotional confrontations, or making someone jealous. In reality, what stays in a person's heart the longest is often much simpler. People remember how you made them feel. They remember the peace you brought into their lives, the encouragement you gave during difficult times, the laughter you shared, and the comfort of knowing someone genuinely cared. Long after arguments and temporary disagreements fade away, positive memories often remain. A woman who leaves people with good memories creates an impact that cannot easily be replaced. She is not focused on winning every argument or proving that she is right. Instead, she values kindness, understanding, and emotional maturity. She knows that every interaction leaves an impression, and she chooses to be someone who adds value rather than unnecessary negativity. This does not mean accepting disrespect or hiding her feelings. It means handling situations with grace and self-control instead of allowing emotions to create lasting damage. When relationships end or distance grows between two people, individuals naturally reflect on the moments they shared. They think about the conversations that made them smile, the support they received during challenging times, and the genuine connection they experienced. These memories become powerful because they are attached to emotions. A person may forget specific words, but they rarely forget how someone made them feel when they were together. Bitterness and constant drama often push people away, while warmth and positivity create a lasting impression. A woman who carries confidence, kindness, and emotional strength leaves a mark wherever she goes. Her presence becomes associated with comfort, happiness, and authenticity. Even after she is gone, those qualities continue to live in the memories of the people whose lives she touched. The goal should never be to make someone suffer or regret their choices out of revenge. The goal is to become such a positive and valuable presence that your absence naturally becomes noticeable. When someone looks back and remembers the peace, support, and genuine care you brought into their life, they begin to understand your true value. Those memories become a reminder of what they once had, and that realization can be far more powerful than any words you could ever say. The secret to making a man cry missing you isn't manipulation, revenge, or mind games. It's becoming so valuable, confident, and fulfilled that your absence becomes impossible to ignore. When you choose self-respect over chasing, growth over desperation, and purpose over obsession, you become unforgettable. And whether he comes back or not, you'll have gained something far more important: your power, your confidence, and your peace.